Can I just show those things?
Yes,
Okay.
he will help you.
Yeah.
With this.
I'll take 20 minutes exactly and I'll show you. देखो क्या?
See, right now we have talked in stratosphere, right? We have been talking about the concept and these big things. But what we actually have to do, we have to bring it down to a practical level also. We have to see that this does reach every child of the country, not by 2020, maybe not even by 2025, but maybe at least by 2030 or 2040 or maybe 2050, God knows by when. But we have to make an attempt. For that, all of you are required, and especially people like you. Why I am saying it? Because you are in this big university, you are an academician, you come across so many young people. If a person like you is able to pass even delta tending to zero, a message of this type to the young person. All changes take place, remember, in deltas. They don't take place, any change which you'll see, a great change, will not go like this. It'll always go delta by delta by delta by delta by delta. That's the actual, because anything goes like this has to come down like this also. So what I'm requesting of you is that, please try and see that the great heritage, at least of Odisha, does not go through our fingers. Because right now I'm just looking at the scene, just giving an example. I don't find any Odissi dancer, for example, whom I can say is anywhere near Sanjukta or anywhere near Kelubabu. Why? I ask the question, why? I see them dancing beautifully, very pretty, everything very nice, but koi andar mein koi depth nahi. So I see now people used to make Pattachitra. In Pattachitra, they never used to write their name, because the greatest things we don't know who has written Vedas, who has written Upanishads, because we always had this thing that it's come from somewhere else. Today the name comes first, then the figure. So all these small details, I'm requesting your help, at least to see that that the beautiful heritage of Odisha should not vanish, should be transformed. It won't vanish. The great danger is not vanishing. The great danger is of mutating. Mutating is the greatest danger. If you take a frog and put it to boiling water, the frog will jump out. But if you put a frog into water and boil it slowly, the frog will get boiled. This is what is happening. And we people like you who are thinking people, we all must make a very big attempt to see that the frog doesn't get boiled. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Kiran Seth and Professor Priyadarshan Patra, for such an enlightening interactive session. Now I would request Professor Sutapa Pati, Dean School of Sustainability and Coordinator Student Affairs, to please present a memento to Dr. Seth and to Professor Priyadarshan Patra as a token of gratitude from us. Sure, sir.
First of all, I'd like to thank Dr. Sudarshan ji for having such a lovely session with him. I myself was very some answers became clear to me also while talking to you, as it happens when you're teaching. When you're teaching, the best way of learning is teaching. When you're talking to somebody and trying, the things get more set in the brain in a nice way. But you know, all that we have done right now is talk on a conceptual level, which is very important. But finally we have to get it executed, right? We have to see that this doesn't remain just big talk, and that we are able to do something in a very practical way also. So from the theoretical, now I'm coming to the applied. Okay? We must have theoretical physics, but we must also have applied physics. Okay? So I'm going to be now talking on the applied side. Okay? I'll show you what we have learned in the last 42 years and how we are trying to take this movement with the aim of reaching out to every child in the country. That is, you all have to help. Unless there are a whole lot of volunteers from Hyderabad, from wherever you are, you have to come in and pitch in. We have pulled the cart for last 44 years. Right? Now you all have to pull the cart. Humne to bye bye kar dena hai, sach bata rahe. Okay? So you have to pull the cart. And I'm going to show you what we have learned so that you don't rediscover the wheel. You start off from where we have, in research, in development of anything, we start off from where the other person has left off and develop it further. So I'm telling you what has been the results of the experimentation of our 42 years, so that it will help you to join the movement and also take it forward. Is it clear? First, few announcements. There are a lot of, all the students, especially the school students. See, all this thing, you have to live your life now. We have almost finished ours. So, the benefit or the destruction is in your hands of all this, okay? I'm going to just mention few things which you must try to come forward to understand where we have reached and to experience some of the things. One is, all of you should apply for the International School Convention, which we are doing at the Omega International School in Chennai from December 20th to December 26th. You can go to the website spicmeke.com and find out all the details. Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia will give the inaugural concert on the 20th. It's all free for you if you are selected, and it will be a wonderful experience for you all, I can tell you. I'll also be there for that 1 week in Chennai. The next thing is, we have our international convention, which we do every year. At this year, at 2020, we are doing it in IIT Kanpur from the 1st of June to the 7th of June. For this, all college students, school students, everybody is invited to register. And if you are selected, everything is free, as I told you. The third thing is, we are having a scholarship scheme, which is in the month of your summer vacations, May, June, July. We send you for 1 month, select students, we send for 1 month to live in the proximity of a very inspired human being. संगति का बहुत प्रभाव पड़ता है. हम पहले जब केलू बाबू was alive, we used to send students to Kelu Babu. But now we are sending people like His Holiness Dalai Lama in Dharamsala. He interacts with you. We are sending people like Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. If any of you have not visited, you must try to visit his Gurukul here. आप एक बार जाइएगा in Bhubaneswar. What a place! My hair stands on end. Yesterday I went there. Not yesterday, day before yesterday I went. And I was amazed. There's a peacock. I've never seen a peacock. When I've seen a peacock in the sense which doesn't run away when I come near it. In IIT Delhi, we have number of peacocks. But when we come in, they all run. Here the peacock was standing there like this. Say, why have you come? Who are you? Coming towards me like this. I was taken aback. It's just standing there, not at all scared. Nothing. There are 5 dogs there, including one Doberman. And I saw the Doberman, my God, I said, I'm going to lunge at my throat. Dobermans are very dangerous. I've never seen a docile Doberman in my life. The Doberman came there, stood next to me, sniffed around, and said, okay, you look okay, and went away. The music which was there, about 10 people 12 children were learning there. What a wonderful atmosphere. All of you must go to the Gurukul, Vrindavan Gurukul here in Bhubaneswar. He's got one here and one in Mumbai. But all of you have got a chance. Do take the children to see that Gurukul. It's really wonderful. So we have this Gurukul scheme in which we make young people. We'll be sending somebody to this Gurukul also, to the one with Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. For 1 month, 30 days you spend with them. So if anybody is learning the flute, little bit even, and who has got little talent, of course for that you have to have little talent, we'll select you and you can stay with a person like him. Okay? So these 3 things, please keep in mind. That is, there are many other things, but I'm saying specifically these 3 things. One is the International School Convention in Chennai, the next is the International Convention in IIT Kanpur, and third is the Gurukul scheme. And very importantly, the meeting which is held every Saturday at Institute of Physics, every Saturday without fail, they have the meeting from 4 to 5:30, 4 to 6 or whatever. And 4:30 to 6. And tomorrow also we are having it. Tomorrow also we are having the meeting 4:30 to 6. But after that, at 7 o'clock, and here I want to invite both of you also, I want to invite everybody. We are having this whole night of Indian classical music with Begum Parveen Sultana, who will be starting, Begum Parveen Sultana will be starting it at 7:30. You must come for that overnight. I am telling you. I was transformed from an overnight. The overnight is something beautiful in our heritage. The first artist will take you from here, your concentration like this. Second one will take you like this. Third one will take you like this. And at the morning, 4 o'clock, Brahma Muhurat, 3 o'clock, your concentration will become like a laser beam. And what you will get after that is Ananda. So please try, come with your parents, come with your teachers, come for the overnight tomorrow from 7, it will start at 7, and end off the next morning at 6 o'clock. Whole night it will be there in the Institute of Physics. Do come for that. Don't come for just one program. I'm coming for just hearing Parveen Sultana and then going back. Come for the whole night. Bring your father, mother, uncle, aunt, teachers. I'm requesting all the schools to please try and come. Really, if we can give it at this age, you will see what an effect it will have on the academics, on everything. I want to repeat, I know that I'm saying something again and again, but Einstein used to play the classical violin. You know that? The great mathematician who's got the Fields Medal, the highest award in mathematics, Manjul Bhargav from Princeton University. He's a concert-playing Indian classical musician. You go to his website and you see what he has to say. He said, when I get stuck at my number theory, I go to my classical music. When I get stuck at the classical music, I go to my number theory. So take it not from the point of view of take it from the point of view of having something which will benefit you in your studies and everything. So come for the overnight tomorrow, please. All of you. Now I'll start off I'll give you in 5 phases what we have been doing. We start off I've been experimenting with children at a play school level for the last 5 years. And what I found is so powerful. Our classical music can do wonders. The play schools which we have nowadays are all designed on the Western model. Edu sports, edu this, edu that, and edu that. It just doesn't make sense when we can do so much with so little. And I've been trying this as a research, really I've done it like a research project. For 5 years, I've been every day before going to IIT, I go to a play school for 1 hour, I work with the children. And I've really learned something so profound. I want to show you that. Start with that. Start with this, Dr. said with it. I'll just show you very 1-2 minutes of each thing. All of them are many, but this is the level at which we should start. I can tell you, most of the people, when I was growing up, I grew up in Bengal. My mothers would take their little children to this whole night of classical music. And as a child moved, and those children became really fine human beings. I'm telling you. Please remember, all the mothers who are here, take your children, play classical music in your house. You see what an effect it will have on your children, on your academics, on everything. It's like meditation through the back door. Just see this here. Come on. We'll do number 3. Pull down. I'll tell you when to stop because we have to stop very quickly. Cut.
You may have to pull the program to desktop and play because it might be having trouble to play from the thumb drive.
It won't come?
Pen drive sometimes it has trouble, so
Achha?
maybe you should try just copy.
Just see, whatever. I would just want to have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a little bit of 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then I'll just give one more small snippet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you can copy. Quickly. In the meantime, I just want to say that I've got these posters for the International School Convention. If any of you can take them to put them anywhere, not to waste them, they're 9 rupees each. You put them on any notice board. You don't find a notice board, put them like that. Walk. Okay? But those who can, please take these things from me. Also, there are these small folders, small pamphlets, which give the details of the International School Convention on one side and the scholarship scheme on the other side. This also you all can take. But please take them only what you can distribute. Yeah, take all this. Give one at least to every school and college also. Give it, no. Give it to the teacher so that it'll go to everybody then. Give it to the teacher so that it'll go to everybody. I don't have so many copies, that's why. Now show quickly. We have got no time. I'll take 15 minutes from now.
आप सांस लेते हुए ऊपर आओ आहिस्ते आहिस्ते वेरी गुड अब क्या करेंगे सारे गामा पादा नीसा वेरी गुड और कौन से राग में हम गाएंगे जोर से बोलो भैरवी वेरी गुड भैरवी में गाएंगे सब लोग ठीक है रेडी 1 2 3
Stop. Now this, experiment, We do it then with taking them on train. We do it in many different ways. It's a beautiful module we have developed for play school children. Before they, like from 1.5 years to about 4 years of age. This is what I think we should try to do even in Bhubaneswar. We should try this module. It's a very powerful module, I can tell you. They were singing so nicely, you can't believe that such small children can sing so well. There was no mic for them, but they can really do it very nicely, and you'll find it's not a question of singing. They are still chanchal hote hain bacche. You'll find in 1 hour, you'll find that chanchalness has reduced. They're looking at you more like this. That is what we are trying to do. So it's a beautiful module. Let's go next. Now, no, next. Finish this. We go next. I don't have so much time. 1 minute. We just take 2 minutes. The next is the most powerful module of SPICMACA. Please listen to this. This is the most powerful one, where we are taking children right to interiors. Look, you are from Bhubaneswar, but going deep in the interiors, you'll find when we went to Uttarakhand, we took a Bharatanatyam dancer. She danced, and you just see it. After the program, the children came to touch her. If she's really real, they had never seen something like that before. What are we giving in the interior? Here at least you're getting some education. In the interior, you'll find that the education levels are pathetic. And that is why this number 2 module is the most important module for taking our heritage. Number 2, number 4 on that list. Dehradun, yes, put this one. This was done in Uttarakhand, in the hills of Uttarakhand. Just see. Okay, stop. Now in this module, what happens is the artist comes and makes the whole school do what she is doing for 45 minutes. And then she performs for 45 minutes. It's the Twitter module of SPICMACA. Okay? The most powerful module, I think, of SPICMACA, which we can go for very low cost. We can go deep into the interiors. This is what we should try to do all over Odisha. I'm really telling you, this is what we should try to do all over in small towns, small villages. Take this module. It's a beautiful module. Next. Number 5. This is the scholarship scheme. Just to give you a flavor of the scholarship scheme, we took about 60 students. This was a special one, in which we took 60 students and we put them in the proximity of 5 great masters. 5 great masters. Should. Oh no, this is the National School Intensive, sorry. You put this one? Yeah, this is the 5. Yes, right. See, from the Twitter module, we come to the week-long thing. This is what you will experience in Chennai. The Chennai school convention will be very similar to this. Should. For 1 week.
Welcome to Uttam School for Girls. We have organized the National School Intensive from 19th to 23rd of April, bringing before you some of the greatest artists of India.
पिकमे के द्वारा आयोजित नेशनल स्कूल इंटेंसिव विद्यार्थियों को भारतीय संस्कृति, परंपरा तथा विरासत को जानने, समझने व अनुभव करने का सुअवसर है।
The program
Great Girja Devi ji, you must hear what she has to say. Girja Devi, the great Girja Devi ji, with Pandit Kishan Maharaj, the great Tamla player. Go ahead.
Srimati Girja Devi ji and Pandit Kishan Maharaj ji.
मैं भगवान से ये प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि पढ़ाई के साथ साथ संगीत का भी होना जरूरी है।
चलो आगे आगे shift, just shift this, no, shift this a little, just keep going a little bit. हाँ, I'll tell you, just keep going a little, yeah. Start.
Depression, stress relief, hypertension, etc. Living a yogic life improves physical, mental, and spiritual health and upliftment.
Morning yoga. Then in the morning Nad Yoga, you start Fariduddin Dagar, 4 to 7, beautiful. Great Fariduddin Dagar.
बैठते थे तो सुबह 6 बजे तक हम बजाते
Listen to
थे।
this. अच्छा, चलो go ahead. This is Ustad Abdul Latif Khan, 102-year-old man. Anjali Menon, the great painter. Anjali, she gifted us the painting which she made, and we got 5 lakhs for that when we sold it. This was the painting she made there and then. Go ahead.
Performing Kathak all over the world. A wonderful singer,
Birju
a
Maharaj ji,
superb
the great
percussionist,
Kathak
has
exponent.
given a new dimension to Kathak by
Just see what he has to
implementing
do.
the techniques of dance drama.
नहीं चलेगी ऐसा था। और मैंने कहा धान दबिदा देता 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 धान दबिदा देता देता।
चल आगे. Great Sultan Khan, the great sarangi player. आगे.
आपको पता
Rupa Chetty, the great Kalamkari artist. Great Kalamkari from Andhra Pradesh. आगे. This is Margi Madhu, the great Kudiyattam exponent from Kerala. Go ahead. Rajan Sajan Mishra ji, आगे. Abdul Latif Khan, 102-year-old, passed away. आगे. This band you will hear tomorrow night if you come. If you come tomorrow night, you will hear beautiful Rudraveena. Ustad Bahauddin Dagar. It's one of the most, this my dear young people, your children will not see this instrument, I'm telling you. It's almost on its way out. You people have to guard against, we say tigers are getting extinct and we do so much for tigers. We have to save such things also. Go ahead. Go ahead. Then we take them for a heritage walk. This is Humayun's Tomb. In Madras, in Chennai, we will be taking you to Mahabalipuram for the heritage walk. But that's it. Next one. Close it. Next one is the scholarship scheme. This is where we selected 60 students from the whole country, took them to a whole one, like a Gurukul. 5 great masters. See this. The scholarship scheme which I have told you about. Similar. You won't be able to use your cell phone there, huh? That's one thing. Maharaj ji. Vedavalli ji, the great Karnataka vocalist. Fariduddin Dagar, the great Drupadiya. Next. C.V. Chandrasekhar, the great Bharatanatyam exponent. Guru Ghanakanta Bora, the Bhatriya, great Bhatriya man. Aage. Next one, last one. The last one, and then 1 minute more. Quickly. This is the international convention which we'll be having at IIT Kanpur. This is a snippet from the one we had at IIT Bombay. It was covered by NDTV, so a little bit, so I'll just show you that quickly. Come on.
It's a format, I don't know if you can do it.
No, the number 7. So you have seen something about the Chennai Convention. You have seen something about the scholarship scheme, the 2 things which I have told you, very important things. And this is the 3rd thing about the International Convention. If we can open it. Open it with the
Just copy and then.
Okay. Huh?
Like it does. It's a wrong format name given.
But I have played it many
It's not
places.
the MPEG, it's just a wrong.
Okay.
Extension.
Is there any way to play it or no? If there is not, let's just go ahead otherwise. We just have to. Video media player.